Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge for diffusion, and today I would like to show you how you can change the display refresh rate of this Motorola. Firstly, open Devices Settings. After that, you need to click on Display section. Now scroll down and tap on Display Refresh Rate. Following that, just click on the best option for you that you wish to set up. I will go with the highest one. And as you can see, after that, refresh rate of this smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!